Pleasant morning to you, Links TV family. How you all doing? Trust and hope that you guys are doing fine, keeping safe and in good health as always. We know that the country is experiencing a whole lot of rainfall from the past few days, especially in the corporate area and also other parts of the country, and we've seen how number of roads have been flooded and a number of houses have been damaged. A number of lives as well have been lost. But we're just asking you, the people out there in Jamaica, just try to remain safe as much as possible during this difficult time. It's been a while that the country has not experienced this level of rainfall, and we have seen how it has beared down on the country and has caused so much devastation and displacement of residents right across. So I'm just asking you to just remain safe, and even though this is not lasting for a whole lot of time, we have to still try our very best to protect ourselves in the best possible way that we deem fit, and just try to avoid flooded roads and also flooded areas as well. I saw a situation in St. Elizabeth where this businessman, he was out at sea during this, and somehow he got swept away by the strong current of the water. So I'm asking you as well, please to avoid those areas as well during this time until this weather pass. Otherwise from that, I'm here doing my thing on holiday and just taking a wonderful time just to link with you, the viewers, the wonderful subs, wherever you are watching this video right now. Much love and much respect goes out to you as always. As you know, Links TV is a movement that does try to find credible local and international stories, bringing it to you as quality entertainment. We always try our very best to put out information that is very straight and right. So we always research our information before we put it out there. From time to time, I have to respond to certain people in the comment sections based on what they state or what they believe they want to believe, you know. But at times I have to just ignore some of those comments and just know that this is my platform and I'm the one in charge of it, so I do as I please once it's in accordance with the regulations outlined by YouTube and also not infringing on anyone personal rights. So I hope that you guys just continue to just support the movement and just continue just to be safe as much as possible. Whatever is going on in your neck of the woods, you can just drop it in the comment section, and whatever you have planned for today, just get on out there, sort it out very early, because it seems like it's gonna be a wet day here as well. So we have to just do what we have to do and just continue just to maintain our composure, be positive about life, and put some more value on life. I've seen certain situations being played out right across from time to time, and it's like people, they don't value life. We need to put more value on life. And despite the circumstances and the challenges that we are facing, just know that you have to put your all into it at times, and just try to focus on that situation and put your best while you're doing it. Some of the time you're gonna feel as if you want to just throw in the towel and give up, but guess what? Always put up that strong fight against everything that you're doing, because some of the time, that time when you decided to give up, that's the time you would have succeeded. And no situation at times might be overbearing for you, and at times it seems like you're alone, but guess what? Someone is always out there that you can reach out to. You can always reach out to someone just in order for some level of comfort or some level of assurance at times, or just to offer some level of support to you. So you have to use up those avenues at times when you're feeling as if you want to give up, because giving up should not be an option, right? You have so much things out there in order to make your life better. You just have to just find that way and means of doing it. If you want someone to talk to, Links TV is here as well. You can always reach out to me. You can just drop me a comment in the comment section, and I will be there to reach out back to you as much as possible. So don't think as if you don't have anyone to talk to. If you don't have anyone to talk to, I'm here. You can reach out to me. Drop me a comment in the comment section and I reach out to you. All right? Links TV signing out for this one. Bless.